Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create an account in Picsart. Creating a new account on Picsart is a straightforward process. First of all, go ahead and open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for this Picsart Photo Video Editor AI application. Simply download the app and tap on the Open button to launch Open Picsart on your mobile device. Picsart is a powerful and user-friendly app that allows you to edit photos, create stunning designs, and connect with a global community of artists. So the first interface of Picsart will look like this. In order to create a new account, you can go ahead and tap on the Create an Account button or connect to Picsart using one of the options at the bottom of the screen where you can see the Apple, Google, Facebook, and Snapchat logo. If you have one of these accounts, you can also get connected with Picsart easily by selecting one of these options and following through the instructions. In today's video, I'm going to choose the Create an Account button. Simply click on that and then it'll ask you to enter an email address. Go ahead and type in a valid email address that you have an access to and click on the Next button. Once you click on the Next button, go ahead and create a password for your account. Your password must contain 8 to 16 characters, at least one letter and a number. After you are done creating a password, click on the Next button. Enter a username for yourself. Go ahead and type it down in the text box and click on Complete. While Picsart offers a robust free version, the premium subscription known as the Picsart Gold unlocks even more creative possibilities. In order to subscribe for premium, go ahead and select the monthly or the yearly subscription option on the page and then click on the Continue button and follow through the instructions. You will then need to go ahead and enter your payment information so that you can purchase the premium version of Picsart. If you don't want to use the premium version, you can also click on the cross icon at the top left and you will be able to use the free version of Picsart. Allow necessary permissions for the app and you will be good to go. Now you can start creating stunning designs, enhance your images, and share your artistic flair with the world with Picsart. So that's how you can easily sign up or create an account in Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.